Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all will be fine. So let's move on to our Bitcoin scalping video. Just a small update that I'm actually long over here. I'm long. I have just longed right now. Unfortunately, that took me a few seconds. I'm long right now, 26040. I'm long over here. This is my stop loss. Sorry. This is my stop loss, 25.9. I'm long here. Simple reason, perpetual shorting. Bybit is shorting now. I will explain this in the video as well. I'm long right now from here. I have just opened a position on my Bybit copy trade account. So just give me 1 minute. I just want to see some confluences. Yeah. So actually what's happening over here is pretty simple, that we are basically taking out the liquidity below the previous higher low. What is our way of scalping the Bitcoin? A scalping trick that I usually use. Just have a look over here. We just want to make a path. So this is how Bitcoin usually trades, or have some price action like this. So what actually happens over here is that we make lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and the previous lower high is broken over here. Now the price will just go back to fill up any FEG over here, or the previous higher low, the previous breaker, and then it will start moving back to the upper side, making some new FEGs over here, filling those in the higher lows, and start move back upward. It might be something like when the price is going back towards the upper side, it might be something like this. The reason is simple, that we just want to see that the previous higher low should always be defended by the bulls if the price wants to go back up. So this is the way actually of trading. You just have to take entries on the FEGs, having stop loss as closure below the previous higher low. We have seen a lot of liquidity weeks in the past few days, past few weeks, so definitely we'll go on with some of the lower time frame closures below the previous higher low. So the next thing is that we guys are actually looking over Bitcoin whenever we are just longing or shorting. And just give me 1 minute. I just want to have my previous setup. Yeah, this one. Why I'm long over here is simple, that just have a look over the price, what's actually happening. The price is basically just making up some lower time frame higher high, higher low, made a new higher high above this one. So this is going to be my stop loss. A closure below this one is my stop loss, and I think so price have already taken some great hits to liquidate a lot of people and a lot of users, so price might do something like this. So this is my bias overview and current state of the market, because a lot of perpetuals are shorting and mainly the Bybit is shorting. This is Agar.trade, and I have already shared a lot of videos of Agar.trade on Twitter, as well as a complete guide video of Agar.trade is already visible on my YouTube channel. You guys can just scroll down and look at that video. So this is a perfect way of trading on the lower time frame. Just have a quick update of a previous video, not the previous video but a previous example. Like the price was going like this. Now you guys have to focus on one thing. This is your higher high, higher low, higher high. This is your higher low that is broken over here. Price closed below this one. Right now, what you guys have to look at, you guys just have to mention one MSP, and you have to mention the FEG. These all the terms MSP, FEG are given in my Discord group, and those are already for the free members. You guys can learn those in the Discord group. So target should be the previous higher low. So this was a perfect short opportunity, like shorting this FEG, targeting this one, stops right above this one. So this is how you guys can basically take trades. This is the perfect example of lower time frame entries, scalping tricks, and the confidence is definitely you guys are gonna get confidence from this charts.agar.trade website, and I have shared my own personal template on Twitter, on Discord group, as well as on my YouTube channel. So just have a look over here when the price actually came back down. Can you guys actually just give me 1 minute? I might change this to 15-minute time frame. Look at this. At the time when the price was at extreme top levels, like over here, look at how much people just blindly long Bitcoin over here. These were your max longs over this whole time period. Max longs at exactly the top, and all of those were trap traders. Now we have already seen the max shorts over here. Price have not basically made them have some good profits. Same way, right now we can see what we saw over here were extreme longs when the price jumped to 26.2k just few moments ago, like almost like from 2 or 3 hours ago when the price pumped. There were huge longs. Now all those longs are liquidated over here. Look at this. And now the same people are shorting. So I told you that I'm long, so just look at what's actually happening. Now you got your lower time frame 1 minute MSB over here. The price will slowly consolidate over here for might be for 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and then will start moving back to the upper side. Look at this. Look at this. Liquidity taken. People stopped over here. Either the price will straight go back here or might do something like consolidation, slow chop, and slowly towards the upper side. So this is how you guys have to actually take trades. You guys have to actually look at how the price is basically reacting back to your analysis, and these are the tricks you guys should follow for your scalping. And believe me, honestly, these tips are literally everywhere around your globe, around your corners. Every single person is sharing this, but they will not actually share the exact platforms. For example, this one, Agar Trade, or they will not exactly teach you the way I'm telling you guys. So this is one of the most precious video, to be honest, at least for me, that this is one of my biggest weapon that I usually take aggressive entries and I win later on. So I have only one request, that please have good risk management, and never trust, never throw your each and every stone, or never invest all of your capital, all of your investment in single trade. Just have good risk to reward ratio, and you guys will definitely win on a big generalizing stage. So this was just a small quick Bitcoin scalping video, and I will definitely post the results of this trade. Like my target number 1 is always same as, like, this is 0.47%. Look at this 0.47%, and on the upper side 0.47% is going to be my TP1 here. 20, like at 1 hour I'm definitely taking out some profits and moving my stops to break even, something around 26,160. So this is going to be my target number 1. So just for the update and what I'm just risking over here. So this was a very quick update about a scalping trick technique. I have showed you a live example over here and a previous example over here, and a clear trick to look at how much people are long, short over here. Like, people shorted over here. Now actually the BITGET traders might be probably trapped in this week, or they might even short more and get trapped later on. But what I'm gonna do is just simply trust my system, do whatever my system says to me. Probably some consolidation over here, and then pump is coming. So let's see what happens.